Welcome to Infoveave. Here is a quick video on how to create a custom calendar. Custom calendars enable you to define a calendar based on your organization's financial or annual schedule. You can customize the start date of the year and set the number of weeks in each month, overriding the default ISO or Gregorian calendar. To create a custom calendar, go to Administration menu and select Custom Calendar. Click New Custom Calendar. Enter a name for the custom calendar. Specify the year. Select the start date and end date. Define your custom calendar either month-wise or week-wise. Click Continue. Configure the custom calendar by adjusting the year, start date, end date, months, and quarters. Click the Save button. You can add multiple years by clicking on New Year. Thank you for watching.